Hi everybody. I wanted to take you through a bit of a problem that I've been having in the past while, and that is my workbench of shame. The airplanes that I've built, including the Millibob here and the Boomerang, are sitting essentially thrown on top of my workbench. I have my plans for the slowpoke and various other debris all sitting on this very, very small bench. I'm hoping other people in the modeling world have similar workbenches, but I'm going to have to find a better solution, like I have with a lot of my woodworking tools, which are nicely stored and connected to the wall. So what I've done, I've cleared out or allocated essentially this 4 meter, that's about a 12-foot section that I can build a workbench on. So once I've removed all that tomorrow, I am going to put some battens along the back wall here, all the way down to this cupboard, which stores a lot of my modeling fuel. And then I'm going to have a bench being built using my stock wood that I've bought. And I'm going to put some shelving on the lower level, and I'm going to keep an area open as well, so I can put a stool underneath, so I can pull it out and sit in it and work on the models. This current workbench I'm finding for me, as I'm a little bit tall, a bit too small. There I am knocking some pieces down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to raise it up slightly in the new build, so that I'm doing less stooping over, and it's more the correct height for me to actually work and build with the balsa wood. I'll still keep this workbench, and I might put some of my woodworking tools and equipment onto it. But for now, I'm going to sideline it, and once I've got the new workbench built, I can really begin to get back into the modeling and start with the build of the slowpoke and try and extract the paperwork and hope that it's not too damaged. So this is start of day 2 of the workbench build. I've placed one piece of wood sitting on top of my units, because if I sit another piece on top of that, it actually gives me the correct height that I want my workbench. So with this top piece of wood, I have drilled holes all the way along, and what I'm going to do now is mark those holes through to the wall, drill them into the wall, put in roll plugs, and that way I can build the top frame and then mount it directly into the wall. Then I'll drop the legs down the front, and then I'll continue the build on down to the cupboard. So I've now attached the frame of the workbench to the wall using multiple screws along each of the walls. Next, what I want to do is drop the leg. So I'll essentially just take a piece of my wood, hold it up into the corner here, mark off the height, cut that off, and then put in screws, and that will support that corner, and I'll do another one there and that will support that corner. So now I've dropped the legs from the first framework that I've done here, and I've screwed it in to both the cross members, and I've added another one in here just to add some strength. I've now built another frame which is just over a meter long, about 3.5 feet, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to drop another leg down here at the corner, and after that I will drop legs and battens down the back and create shelves about halfway up. These are hard working conditions, that's for sure. So last step of the job, I've just put in some shelving At the very bottom, it'll allow me to keep storage underneath and place loads of stuff on top. And if I just get my top, slot that on, and hopefully that will fit in nicely. And there we go. I'll screw that down and then it's job done. Thank you for watching.